Here's how to make your Roblox game public. First, make sure your game has been published from Roblox Studio. Open your project, click File, then select Publish to Roblox As. Enter a name and description, then click Create to publish it to your account. Once your game has been published, click on the Manage Experience option and a web page will redirect you to the Roblox Creator Hub. Sign in with the same Roblox account you used to publish the game. Inside the Settings section, go to the Permissions or Privacy section, depending on the current Creator Hub layout. Change the experience visibility from private to public, then save your changes. Your game will now be available for other Roblox users to find and play. If your game still isn't visible, make sure you've saved the updated settings, published the latest version from Roblox Studio, and confirm that the experience isn't restricted by any additional access settings. That's all for this video. Thanks.